Good evening. So we are back to the continuation of our logarithm question. So in the first task, we looked at how to solve 3.95 squared times 65.60, and the second task will be solving this question, that's 315.6 times 95.47 divided by 456.2 times 331.88. So just as we solved the first one, we'll be going through to solving the second shortly. So to start with, we'll draw the number log table. Let me erase this. Okay. So we have to write the constituents of each of those of the question. We have 315.6, 315.6, then we have 95.47. Let me write that very well. So we have our number and our log here. We have 315.6 here, and we have 95.47. So we'll solve the numerator first. The question, the first task up before the division is the numerator, while the one beneath is the denominator. We'll solve the numerator first. So to solve the numerator, we said we count the number of digits before the decimal point. This is the decimal point here. So the number of digits before the decimal point is 3. So we remove 1, so that will give us 2. So this particular point will be 2 points. So we have to look at 31 under 5 difference 6. 31 under 5 difference 6. So we open our 4-figure table. 31 under 5 difference 6. So I'm opening my 4-figure table. Thirty-one under 5 difference 6. So 31 under 5. 31 under 5 is 4983. 4983. So we have 4983. I have 4983 here. 4983. Difference 6 is I think I should rewrite the question here. Let me go over the question again. The question again is 31 under 5 difference 6. 31 under 5 difference 6. 31 under 5 difference 6. So I want to open my 4-figure table again. Thirty-one under 5 difference 6. So 31 under 5. So this 31 here, 31 here, 31 here. Under 5, this is 5. That's 4983 difference 6 is 8. 4983 plus 8. 4983 plus 8. So we have 4983 plus 8. And that will give us 4991. 4991. So let me go write it out. 4991. So I'll come to my logarithm 2. So write 4991. Yeah. So that will be 4991. The second number is 95 under 4 difference 7. So 2 digits before the decimal point, that will give me 1 point. 1 point. So I'll go look for 95 under 4 difference 7. 95 under 4 difference 7. 95 under 4 difference 7. .95 under 4. This is 95 here. So look at 95 here. 95 is under here. 95 under 4. That's 9795. 9795. That's 9795. Then the difference, you add it to it. 95 under 4 difference 7. Difference 7. That's 3. 3. So that will give me 9798. 9798. 9798. Okay, so let me go back to the 9798 and rewrite that. .9798. So I'm to write 9798. So because what I am doing here is the times I'm multiplying 315.6 times 95.47. In indices, don't forget multiplication is what? Addition. So we will be adding up these two numbers. So I'll put my sign, plus sign here. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. Carry 1, 10 plus 7, 17. Carry 1, 5 plus 9, 14. Carry 1, 3 plus 1, 4. That will be 4.4789. But I'm not done yet. So the numerator is, this is the numerator. So I have to solve for the denominator. So for the denominator, let me just extend this down again. So I have 456.2 and 31.88. 456.2, 3 digits before the decimal point. So remove 1, that will give you 2 points. 2 digits before the decimal point, remove 1 will give you 1 point. So I'm looking for 45 under 6 difference 2. 45 under 6 difference 2. 45 under 6 difference 2. So log 45 under 6. This is 45 here. Here 45 here. 45 is here. Under 6. Under 6 is 6590. That's 6590. Difference 2. Difference 2 is 2. So that will give me 6592. That's the logarithm. 6592. I'll go write it down. 6592. I'll go enter it. 6592. 6592. So I'll write it out as 6592. Then the next one is 31 under 8 difference 8. 31 under 8 difference 8. 31 under 8 difference 8. So 31 under 8. 31 under 8. Under 8 is 5024. 31 under 8 difference 2. 5024 plus 3, that's 5027. Okay, I've gotten that 5027. So I said 5027. So I'm right. Oh, 31 under 8 difference 8. Sorry, 31 under 8 difference 8. Let me go check it again. 31 under 8 difference 8. 31 under 8 is 5024. Difference 8. So that will give me 5024. Let me write it out somewhere. 5024. 31 under 8 is 5024. So that will be 5024. And difference 8. 31 under 8. Difference 8. 11. So I just add 11 to it. So that will give me 5035. 5035. So let me go enter it. 5035. So I'll be adding this together too because of the multiplication sign. So the plus sign. 2 plus 5 is 7. 9 plus 3 is 12. Carry 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. Then carry 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 1 4. 4.16. This is the denominator. This is for the denominator. So I'm considering the numerator and the denominator. So what do I do? Because of this division in between the two, numerator and the denominator, because of the division, because of this division sign in between these two, I have to subtract this and these two. So I'll just subtract. So 9 minus 7 will give me 2. 8 minus 2 will give me 6. 7 minus 6 will give me 1. 4 minus 1 will give me 3. The decimal point. 4 minus 4 will give me 0. So 0. So the next thing to do is to find the antilog of this number. Again, 9 minus 7 is 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So I'm to find the antilog of this number. Antilog of this number. So 0.31 under 6 difference 2. 0.31 under 6. I'll go to my 4-figure table. 0.31 under 6 difference 2. This is antilog here, up here. So I'll look for 0.31 under 6. This is 0.31 under 6 is 2070. Difference 2 is 1. 2070 plus 1, that's 2070. 2070 plus 1, that was 2071. 31 under 0.31 under 6 again. Difference 2. So 2071. 2071. That will give me 2071. That will be 0.2071. That will be 0.2071. So I'll now say 10 raised to the power 1 plus this 0 times 0.2071. That will be 10 raised to the power 1 times 0.2071. Meaning this 1 means I'm moving this decimal point just once. That will be this. So the answer becomes 2.071. 2.071. Okay, let's confirm if this is correct or approximately correct. 2.071. 2.07. Okay, let's quickly confirm this. So that will bring in the calculator. Okay, Seems I'm having issues with this calculator. Okay, so we have 315.6 times 95.47. So 315.6 times 95.47. The first answer is 30,130.22. So 30,130.332 divided by the next one is the next question is 456.2 times 31.88. 456.2 times 31.88, and that will give me 14543. Okay, that will give me 14543.656. So I'm to divide these two numbers to know if I'm correct. So we have 30130.332 divided by 14543.656, and that will give me 2.071. So that will give me 2.071, which is the same answer I got here. Let me zoom it so that you see it very well. This same number I got here, 2.071. So that's how to use the four-figure table. 2.071. So the answer is correct. So that's how to use the four-figure table. So in that manner, let's solve the third question. You can see that four-figure table is just easy to do, not much of a problem. But peradventure you still do not understand, I'm just a chat away. Drop your chat, let me know what your questions or fears are, then I'll be in a position to answer it. So the next question, the last question, number 3, is 943 divided by 11.64 times 7.189. So how do we solve this? It's just the same manner. What we need to do is to draw a number log, enter all the constituents, the numbers. So we have 943. We also have 11.64 and 7.189. So what do we do here? The first this thing. So 943 is the same thing as 943.0. So that's 3 numbers before the decimal point, 3 digits before the decimal point. So that will be 2.94 under 3 difference 0. This is 11.64. 2 digits, 11, 1 and 1 before the decimal point. That's 2. That will give us 1.11 under 6 difference 4. 7.189. 1 digit before the decimal point. That will give us 0.0. So now let's go get the 4-figure table equivalent of 94 under 3 difference 0. 94 under 3 difference 0. 94 under 3. So let me clean this. We don't need this again. 94 under 3 difference 0 to avoid confusion. So we have 94 here. So 0, 94, 0, 1, 2, 3. That's 9745. 9745. 94 under 3 difference 0. Difference 0 is 0. So 9743. Let me go again. 9745. Oh, sorry, 9745. Rather, 9745. Okay. Difference 0 is 0. 9745. Okay, let me go write it. Let me go enter it. So that will give me 9745. 9745. The next number is 11 under 6 difference 4. 11 under 6 difference 4. 11 under 6 difference 4. 11. I'm going to clean this number. I don't need this number again. 11 under 6 difference 4. So 11 under 6 is 0645. Let me write it out. 0645. 11 under 6 difference 4. Difference 4 is 15. Difference 4 is 15. So I'm to add the 15 to it. 15. So that will give me 0660. 0660. That's good. 0660. I'll go back to my assignment. 0660. So that will give me 0660. The last one is 71 under 8 difference 9. 71 under 8 difference 9. 71 under 8 difference 9. So 71, I'm playing this 71 under 8 difference 9. So we have my 71 around here. 71 under 8 is 8561. 8561. I believe it will be clearer in your own 4-figure table. Difference 9. So difference 9 is 5. That will be 8566. 8566. 8566. So that will be 8566. 8566. So please, when you are calling these digits, you call them one after the other. You don't call them 8566. After the decimal point, you call each digit one after the other. You don't pronounce it as in thousands and whatever, because we are working in decimal points. So what do? I am to add these two together because I am working in multiplication. That is, there's a multiplication here. So I'm to add these two numbers together, these two answers. So that will be 0 plus 6 will give me 6. 6 plus 6 will give me 12. 7, that's 12. Then 9. And 1.9226. That's the answer to this one. Don't forget that I am dividing. There's a division between these two numbers. So that will be this minus this number minus this number. And I can do this. 5 minus 6 is borrow 1. 15 minus 6 becomes 9. So when I borrow 1, I'll be left with 3 here. 3 minus 3 is 1. Then 7 minus 2 is 5. 9 minus 9 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the next thing is to find the antilog of this number. Antilog. antilog. I'm meant to write antilog here. Let me write it. I am looking for the antilog of this number. Antilog. So when looking for the antilog of this, I start from the decimal point. So 0.0519. 0.0519. So I'll go to the four-figure table and look for 0.0519 till I get to antilog. So this is antilog. This is 0.05. Let me clean this. I don't need this number again. 0.0519 is what I'm looking for. Antilog of 0.05 under 1 is 1125. Difference 9 is 2. Difference 9 is 2. 0.05 under 1, 1125. That's 1125. 1125 plus 2, that will be 1127. 1127. Okay, so we go back. 1127, we go back. So that will give me for decimal point 1127. So don't forget this one. Then to add a 1 to it, 10 goes by 1 plus 1 times 0.1127. Let me create more reading space for us. So that will be 10 raised to power 2. That will be 10 raised to power 2 times 0.1127. So meaning I'm to move the decimal point 2 times. That's 1 and 2. That will give me 11.27. 11.27. So this is my assumed answer. So let me confirm that I'm correct. 11.27 is what I got. But let's use the calculator. So to use the calculator, I'm going to bring the calculator in. So what I'm going to do first is to multiply 11.64 times 7.189. 11.64 times 7.189. Let me zoom it up. 11.64 times 7.189 equals, so that will give me 83.67996. Let me write this answer somewhere. 83.67. So the answer is 83. Again is 83.67996. Don't forget the numerator is 943. I'm dividing 943 by this answer. 943 by this answer. So that will be 943 divided by 83.67. 83.67996, and that will give us 11.269. 11.269. So this compared with what I got is almost the same thing. I got 11.269 using the calculator. 11.269 using the calculator, and with the four-figure table I got 11.27. So that is the answer. So 11.27 is correct. It's correct. Okay, so that solves that. So in like manner, if you've gotten value from this logarithm question, I would implore you to please subscribe to my channel so that more people subscribe, like and share, so that the YouTube algorithm will show this to more people that need to understand how to use the four-figure table and how to solve problems involving logarithm. It's not difficult. So in like manner, I would urge you to take home this assignment and solve it and come back with your own answers. I would advise that you use the four-figure table You can download the four-figure table from Google. Just type four-figure table digital copy on Google. On google.com, you will get a free copy of yours. You can use it to solve this exercise. Try and attempt these 3 questions, and comment your answers in the description box below. So to that end, we will be drawing the curtain on logarithm for today, and I would join you in the next class. And the next class, that will be tomorrow. We'll be looking at some other problems. We don't know now, but I guess I would do an introduction properly to start it. But before then, please, I would urge you to attempt these questions. And if peradventure there are still things you still do not understand, please drop your comment in the chat box below, and let me know what your challenges are. I'll be more than glad to go over them again with you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.